Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is the Tech Travel Geeks unboxings and first impressions of the Urbanista Sydney portable Bluetooth speakers. Urbanista have very kindly provided us with 2 review units, which we will be reviewing over the coming month, especially on a trip to Asia that's coming up, and then producing a full video review of the speakers and their capabilities. Right then, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. And if you do, thank you for subscribing to us. Right, the Urbanista Sydney portable speaker is a small, portable, Bluetooth, battery-powered Bluetooth speaker. The packaging is very simple, cardboard. It has all the main specifications on the box, and in this case we have 2 different variants of it in terms of colours. So we have the white one and the green one. The packaging slides open quite simply, and there you have the speaker inside the box. The speaker itself is nice and compact. It has some very tactile buttons at the top, a metal body, what feels like a metal body, and some rubberized stands so that you don't get too much vibration on the surface. As you can see, there's embossed logos and information on the bottom. The motto "Designed for Life in Motion" is there, and it highlights the fact this is the Sydney speaker, and it has all the regulatory information on the bottom. On the back of the speaker, there's a little rubber lip that comes open quite simply, and you see there's a micro USB port there, that's for charging the Bluetooth speaker, and there's also an auxiliary audio 3.5mm audio jack port, which at Tech Travel Geeks we refer to as the Courage port. Now, what else do you get in the box with the Urbanista Sydney speaker? You get all the usual literature. This is better than a lot of the literature we've seen previously. There is a picture on the front of it, for example. And then in the cardboard compartment on the inside, you'll see there is also a USB-A to USB micro charging cable. Now, let's put this on the side. There's also a white one here. We can compare and contrast. So the white Sydney speaker with the Urbanista logo, beg your pardon, the Urbanista logo at the top, the Bluetooth button, and the volume controls. And the same ports and embossed logos on the bottom showing you that information. Now, the great thing about these speakers is that you can purchase them individually. They're decent speakers. We've heard these before, as we did at IFA 2019 in Berlin. But you can also use these, as you can see, you can then pair them to have 2 speakers, so 2 of them operating as stereo sound. Now what I'm going to do is use my Google Pixel 4 XL. I'm going to synchronize with the Bluetooth of the white speaker to start off. And there we go, Urbanista Sydney has come up. And I have connected. And as you can see on your smartphone, you'll also have indication of the battery life. So it's not something that you see explicitly on the side of the device, but on my smartphone, I can see what the battery level is on the device. So let's open up a file I downloaded earlier, or play some simple music. Let's start off with some music. Let's search for some Pavarotti and see what this sounds like. There is a bit of noise in the background in the video as it is. And obviously it's very difficult to do this on video, but the sound is rich, it's got some nice depth to it, and it's quite loud in the sense that it fills the room I'm in. and Pavarotti sounds just as good as he used to. So, great quality sound coming from the Urbanista Sydney in the situation it's in. What I'm going to do now is turn on the other speaker. And that means that the two speakers are now synchronized. They are now left and right speaker for the audio that I'm going to play. And I'm going to play this track, carry on playing it, and see what it sounds like. And yes, the sound is coming out of both speakers. That was an incredibly fast and simple setup. And the stereo effect is very noticeable. Pavarotti is coming out of the left speaker, the green one, and the right speaker has a lot of the orchestra in it. So this is true stereo sounds coming out of the two speakers. And that was as simple as tapping and holding the Bluetooth button on both devices. So I'll just stop that, just in case we get called out by copyright infringement claim here on YouTube. But this is essentially what it is. It is two, or if you purchase one individually, a good quality Bluetooth portable speaker with around about 5-hour battery life and very good quality sound. The side of the casing acts in a way a bit like a Bluetooth subwoofer as well. So it's got lots of depth to the sound, good bass, good quality. And we haven't put it through its paces yet. The Tech Travel Geeks will. Lukash will probably take the white one. I'll stick with the green one. And we're going to use this on our trip to Asia and then do a full video once we're back. Thank you for watching this unboxing and first impressions of the Urbanista Sydney Bluetooth speakers. We will be back with a full review soon. And as well as thanking you for watching, if you do already, thank you for subscribing to the Tech Travel Geeks on YouTube. And if you don't, please do. That way you'll be notified as soon as we have the full review of the Urbanista Sydney speaker on our channel. Thanks for watching, everyone. Goodbye.